The Crane Ine Bike Bell. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. Just wanted to take a quick look at this bike bell by Crane. I'll briefly go over the specs and show the bell. If you're new to my channel, thanks for taking the time to watch. I do a wide range of reviews, so if you like my content, feel free to subscribe and enable notifications. So let's take a look. The bell is compact and it comes in an assortment of finishes. Your choice of brass or aluminum alloy dome shaped bell. The company is based in Japan. The version I have is the matte gold. The installation is simple and quick. It comes with a clamp that can fit bars from 22.2mm to 31.8mm in diameter. And it's just a matter of tightening the hex bolt on the top with the provided hex key. And this is how it sounds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.